Imagine slipping a fully automated smart telescope into your jacket pocket. A telescope that can track the stars, capture deep sky objects, and even follow birds across the sky, all without any experience. This isn't science fiction. This is the new DWARF Mini, and it just changed what portable astronomy means. Today, we're diving into Dwarflab's latest creation, a telescope so compact it weighs less than a bottle of water, yet still smart enough to detect celestial objects on its own. Whether you're brand new to astrophotography or simply love exploring the outdoors, the DWARF Mini promises to bring the universe a little closer. The DWARF Mini is the younger, lighter sibling of the well-known Dwarf 3. It's designed for beginners, travelers, hikers, and anyone who wants powerful optics without hauling around heavy astronomy gear. And with a pre-order price of just $399, it's more accessible than most smart telescopes on the market. At the core of the DWARF Mini is a clever dual-camera setup. A 24mm telephoto lens, shaped like a tiny periscope, handles close-ups of planets, wildlife, or distant landscapes. Meanwhile, a wide-angle lens maps the sky, helping the device orient itself among the stars. Despite its miniature design, the telephoto system still delivers meaningful magnification, although its light-gathering power is naturally lower than larger telescopes. This is a tool built for portability first, but it doesn't forget performance. The magic really happens with its new AI tracking engine. Point it at the sky, and the Mini automatically identifies stars, planets, even dimmer nebulae, then locks onto them. During imaging, it uses live stacking, layering short exposures on top of each other in real time to reduce noise and reveal details the naked eye can't see. It's the same technique used in its bigger siblings, but now in a much smaller package. Just like the Dwarf 3, everything is controlled through an upgraded smartphone app. Connect by Wi-Fi, select your target, tap to track, and let the telescope do the heavy lifting. No complicated calibration, no manual sky charts, just point, tap, and capture. At 840 grams, the DWARF Mini is truly pocket-friendly. Its telescoping arm rotates 225 degrees, the lens swivels a full 360 degrees, and the 7,000 mAh battery offers about 4 hours of exploration. Yes, professionals will still prefer larger optics with stronger light collection, but as a travel companion, or a first step into astrophotography, the Mini is one of the most convenient tools you can own. Think of it less as a replacement for the Dwarf 3, and more as a portable partner that goes everywhere. Here's a quick snapshot of what's packed inside. 64 gigabytes internal storage, full HD resolution, Sony and Omnivision sensors, shutter speeds up to 90 seconds on the telephoto lens, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB support, all inside something that literally fits in your pocket. The DWARF Mini is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact telescopes of the year, not because it's the most powerful, but because it makes astronomy more accessible than ever. If you've ever wanted to explore the night sky without buying bulky equipment, this might be the device that finally gets you started. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech deep dives. The universe is out there, and now it fits in your pocket.